Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many people face when dealing with technology. The issue at hand is the annoying pop-up notification that keeps appearing on your screen, disrupting your workflow, and causing frustration. Yes, you guessed it right. The problem we're tackling today revolves around those pesky notifications that just won't seem to go away. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky notification problem. The key to getting rid of those unwanted pop-ups is to adjust your notification settings. By accessing your device's settings, you can customize which apps are allowed to send you notifications and how they are displayed. Additionally, you can choose to silence notifications during certain times of the day to avoid interruptions when you need to focus. By taking control of your device's notification settings, you can effectively reduce the number of pop-ups that appear on your screen. In summary, dealing with persistent pop-up notifications can be a real hassle, but with the right approach, you can regain control over your device and minimize distractions. By adjusting your notification settings and being selective about which notifications you allow, you can create a more peaceful and streamlined user experience. We hope this solution helps you overcome the notification overload and enhances your overall tech experience. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on today's video. Remember, notifications are good for some things, but definitely not for interrupting your favorite YouTube videos.